Morning guys, and welcome back to the video. Today it's Monday the 27th, which is install day for the low pressure fuel pump at 034. It's currently 8:34 right now, so we have a little bit of time, but we're gonna head over there and get her done. Last rip on the high pressure fuel pump in stock, low pressure fuel pump. So over here at 034, just dropped off the car over there. Unfortunately, we can't stay with the shop due to the coronavirus stuff that's going on right now, but I'll go ahead and just hang tight here, wait for her to finish up. Should be about an hour or so, so we'll just hang tight till then. Quick little update, it's 11:39, so I've been waiting here about 2 hours now. Still waiting for the fuel pump install to come through. Luckily, I met a RS3 owner, Donald, who was having mid-pipes installed on his car. Had a nice and lengthy chat about cars, which helped kill time. But almost 11:40, hopefully this is done soon, and we'll be out of here. So stay tuned for the next update. Another update, it's 12:50. I'm keeping busy by playing some Smash on the Switch while we're waiting for them to finish up. Been here since 9. It's almost 1 now, so hopefully it can get done soon. I know it is a pretty tough install, so I'm gonna give it to them, applaud them for being able to handle it for me, but keep telling myself maybe I should just Uber home, but then what if they just call me right after and they're like, oh, the car's ready to get picked up, and then I have to Uber back here. But yeah, another hour, just hanging in tight. Hopefully they're done within maybe another 30 or so. Flash on the tune and we should be good to go. But what to do?
One eternity later.
So it's currently 5:09. Just got the car back from 034 and we just filled it up. Problem that they were having was with the fuel sending unit, level sending unit. It's not registering right, so right now it looks like the car is completely out of gas, even though I just filled up a couple bucks for gas. But we've set an appointment for Wednesday at 9 for them to fix that unit. They're ordering one right now, should come in tomorrow, and then Wednesday's the appointment to get that fixed. But she's running good, so new tune is also flashed on as well. We'll go ahead and get a data log for Alex, my tuner over at Stratified, for him to take a look at, and yeah, so I will be right back. Car is back home now and she's doing great. Did a pull on the streets and she ran fine. So that's the first data log that we're going to send to Alex over at Stratified, and then we'll get it refined a little more on the 91 as soon as that's all done, and then it's going to be straight E85. Stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next one.